Benjamin Jaffe with SQ Law. I'm here to talk with you a little bit about holiday time frames and the sort of things that might go on. Now we're getting into Christmas and New Year's, and so something that comes up quite a bit are the sort of things that happen around that time of year where people get in trouble with the law. And so we do get a lot of calls around that time of year, not necessarily for family fights or things that spill over into the public like disorderly conduct or something, but generally we are seeing things related to alcohol, drinking, people getting a little bit too merry or little too loose with it at that time of year. And so I just really wanted to talk to people about being mindful and being careful about how they conduct themselves, and I guess setting themselves up for success rather than failure. But I would encourage people, if they're gonna go somewhere for the holidays, they're gonna watch the game or sit up with family and have a good time and drink and things like that, to make sure they have a ride, make sure they have someone sober around to get them home safely, to make arrangements to maybe stay over, have something set up with an Uber or Lyft or something along those lines. And so just be mindful at this time of year of the sort of activities you're engaged in, the sort of things you're doing with family and friends, and what kind of things you need to prepare for. And obviously that becomes even more important on New Year's, which is probably the biggest drinking holiday of the year. So just being aware of the fact that a lot of people will go to a place where it's easy to be less responsible about what you're doing, and trying to have a good time or whatever. Nothing wrong with having a good time. It's just being careful about the choices you make during that good time. So set yourself up for success. Think about the kind of things you need to be preparing yourself for, and enjoy the holidays in the safest way possible. Thanks from SQ Law. Have a happy holidays, and again, be safe.